Okay, so in this video I'm going to do a review on this Impress Press On Manicure one step gel, and it says does not need glue, so I never tried this, so I'm going to give it a try and see how easy is it, and let's get started. So for that, as you can see, my nails, I need to clean and cut them, right now. Right, so this is the box. It has give you all the directions around it and how to use it. Alright, so this one, Impress one, is by Kiss brand. I bought it from Target and it was $5.99 per box. And I think you can do, if you're doing on the both hands at the same time, you can do 3 times. So they give you total 6 hand set. So like around 30 nails. I hope I'm making sense. So, and let's, after opening the box, this is what is included. Is you can file your nails with it. There is a little wooden stick and then the pad to clean your nails. So as you can see, this wooden stick you can use to peel off your nails or just to arrange your cuticles. And once you open this, it has all the tips and tricks how to use it. There you go, you can see this. And yeah, there are the sizes of the nails. There are many colors and designs available. I just picked this white one with the glitter accent, and you can pick so many designs and colors available there. Here, so what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take out all my nails on my table and I'm just going to arrange them by size and divide them in a group, so it's makes easy to do it for 2 hands. So I'm just gonna separate these nails in the sets of hands. So as you can see, I have divided all the nails. And so I told you that you can do 6 times, so you get 30 nails. And what I'm going to do, I just kept what I needed for this time, and I put everything back into the box so I can use it next time. And now what I'm going to do, just going to use this pad to clean my nails, and please avoid this black stain on my nails because I had a black nail pen, and you guys know how it's hard to remove the nail color stains whenever, especially when it's a darker paint you do it on your nails. It's really hard to remove it. So here I'm starting with my pinky finger. I just peel off the sticker in the back, and you just have to press it and hold it for a few seconds, just like that. And as you can see, I already did my first nail. And there's a little gap on the side, but it's not horrible. I guess you have to press it really hard to, these nails are really flexible, so you have to press it harder. And before you press it, you want to make sure that you put it the straight, because once you're pressing it, once they stick to your nail, it's really hard to move them around. So make sure you put it straight first before pressing it, and then when you feel like it's all straight, then just press it for a few seconds. Here my second finger is done, my ring finger as well. So this is really easy, just peel off this sticker and that's it. And I'm trying this very first time, so please watch the complete video because I'm going to share with you guys my true review and experience in day 7 and day 14. So and I hope I can share with you guys how to take off the nails as well. So please make sure to watch the complete video. And I'm just going to fast forward this process since we are doing the same process, just peeling and sticking this nails to your original nails. So I'm just doing same thing on my right hand side. So I'm forwarding this process here. All right, so I'm done doing this on my both right and left hand, and all my fingernails are done, looking really good. And like I said that before, I am doing this very first time, so I want to show you guys how quick and easy the process is. And my experience with this after applying this nail is I feel a little different to my nails. I feel like something is really sticking to my nails, which I am not happy with. I don't like that feeling, or maybe it will go away after a day, I don't know. But I just, since I'm doing a true review, I just want to share. I feel like something is really sticking to my nails. So and I feel a little different and weird, but I hope that will go away in day one or two, or I'll get used to with this. So far looking really good, and like I said, just keep on watching because I'm going to share this my review 8 how this nails looking 8 to day 7 and 14. So keep on watching. I'm loving it so far. So all right, so now it's been 7 days and you can see they're looking good, still good condition. I'm gonna show you both hands. So as you can see, they're still good, but only problem is, I'll tell you what is the problem. So as you can see, as our nail grows, you see here, so our nail grows, and what happened is, if you can see, there is a gap here. After a few days, you can see. So if you're a habit of running your fingers through your hair gonna get stuck here. So that's the problem I'm seeing nowadays. So every time I put finger and run my finger to my hair gets stuck in the nails right on the top right here, especially on this finger, the pinky finger. It's really horrible. If you're washing your hair, it's gonna get stuck. I lost like 5 6 hair because it got stuck in here, and it was so painful. And so besides that, it's pretty good. If you're looking anything in cheaper version, getting your nails done, this looks really good. I got so many comments on it and everybody liked it. Even, and besides this, everything is nice. The color stays the same, glitter still on, and it's pretty good. So I would say it's okay. I mean, looking wise is wonderful, but then if, like, be practical, if you have your own gel nail, so I don't think so you have to run into this problem, your hair gets stuck and stuff. Mine with this Impress one is like that. So any stickers you use, I guess it will be the same. I just wanted to give you quick reviews. I waited about a week to see if this really works. So yeah, it's still on my nails, and I don't see, the glue is really pretty good still, but it's just the edges, it's gone. Glue on the edges was not that strong after 7 days, but everything else is good. So if you're looking to get something like this, yeah, you should, I would recommend. If you are using for 1 or 2 days, this is definitely to give it a try. So I think this is good for if you have any occasion and if you don't want to spend that much money or you don't get an appointment for some reason, these are really good to go. All right, so this is day 14. As you can see, already my one nail came off, and as you can see, it looking really not so in a shape. Glitter's gone, and it looking really bad. So I'm just going to peel them off, and as you can see, it's really easy to peel. As you can see, the glue is almost gone, so you can just pull it like this. You can use the stick to remove it, but I think I don't need even stick at this point. I can just peel it. It will leave little residue on your nail, but it's nothing to worry about. You can clean easily, and then your nail will be sore for about a day or two, but you can handle that as well. It's not horrible. If you guys want to watch more reviews, let me know what product you guys want to watch next, and I'll do a review on it. Right, bye, take care.